everyone, Anya here, and today I'll be talking about a mysterious Russian construction "У меня есть". I know you're probably familiar with this structure as it's a very basic one, but I bet you have already run into some sentences such as "У меня проблема", "У нас урок", "У него злая собака". And then you wonder when the Russians say "есть" and when they don't say "есть". That's what we're going to deal with today. Let's look at the first example. У меня есть дом. This structure is used to show possession. Notice that the subject of the sentence is the thing that is owned. Дом is the subject of the sentence, and the owner is in the genitive case, preceded by preposition "у". У меня есть дом. Literally, it means by me there is a house. У меня, by me, where I'm located, exists a house. So this construction is purely for expressing possession or stating an existence of something in our lives. Very often this construction will be used to ask a question. У тебя есть учитель? У тебя есть деньги? Let's look at the second example, where есть is not going to be used. У меня проблема. In this case, in this sentence, I'm not informing you that I have a problem, but what I'm trying to say is that I'm dealing with a problem. У нас урок. We're having a lesson. We're busy with lesson. У нас друзья. Friends are here. I'm occupied with my friends. So every time you have this idea of being occupied with something, busy with something, do not use есть. Very good. I think I have already mentioned the fact that у меня is about where you are, at you, by you, where you are located. In this sense, we can use у меня construction without есть to show location. For example, у нас в России холодно. At us, by us, it's cold in Russia. Where is it cold? Где холодно? У нас, where we are. So this construction now answers the question where. One more example. У тебя, let's say, у тебя в офисе жарко. Где жарко? У тебя, where you are located. So every time you're specifying a location where a person is, then do not use есть. У него директор. Where is the director? The director is by him, where he is. Next function of this construction will be to modify something, to describe something. For example, I have already told you that I have a house. У меня есть дом. I have informed you that the house exists in my life. Now I want to describe it, and I will use у меня construction to describe my house. У меня большой дом. Without есть. Actually, what I'm doing here, I'm saying that my house is big. I replace мой дом. I could have said мой дом большой, but in a more colloquial way, I will express it with у меня construction. У меня большой дом. More examples. У тебя красный нос. You have a red nose. У тебя красный нос. У нас большая семья. Our family is big. У тебя красивое платье. Your dress is beautiful. Okay, summing up. We will use у меня есть to express possession or existence of something in our lives. We will use у меня without есть to say that we're occupied or busy with something. We will use у меня without есть to show location where a person is located. And number 3, we're going to use у меня to modify, to say, to replace possessive pronoun. His house is big, my house is big, and so on. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.